Look at this headline, Wall Street Journal. Here it is. How American fracking changes the world. Lower energy prices enhances U.S. power at the expense of Moscow and Tehran. John Layfield is with us, Fox News contributor. All right, John, is that why... Well, wait a minute. The price of oil is way down, $51, $52 a barrel, and you are buying into big oil companies. Are you, the American oil companies? Are you buying into American oil companies because we dominate the world?
Yeah, that's the main reason, but also because you only had about 11% of the oil recovered last year, so you don't have long-term projects. So you're going to have to go to the big E&P guys, the Exxon Mobils, the Chevron, the BPs, the Royal Dutch Shells. I own all those companies. They have about a 4 to 6% yield with those companies. I own them mainly for the yield, but also because you've got to start having these long-term projects. So much has been written about shale for very good reason. Shale oil in West Texas, and you're right in your storyline, West Texas is beating Saudi Arabia. West Texas, in the next, by 2023, will add 3 million barrels of supply per day coming on. That is more than the entire country of Kuwait.
The Wall Street Journal article should be really read by everybody because it spells out what good things happen when we dominate the world oil market. For example, it takes away the sting from Iran. They wanted to use oil as a weapon against us, and now they can't. Venezuela, pretty much the same story. I got to say, I'm cheering on the frackers who have produced American oil and energy dominance, and I'm sure you are too.
Absolutely. I grew up among all those frackers out there. They were just drillers back in the 80s and 90s, and they were hurting very badly. They found a way. These are the most ingenious businessmen, I think, in the world, these West Texas drillers and frackers. They found a way to get what they thought was unrecoverable oil with horizontal fracking, and now they're starting. Now they have a little pipeline capacity problem. They figured out a way to make those pipelines more efficient. They're getting that oil to market, but you're hurting Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia has always been the swing producer of oil prices with OPEC because they had extra capacity. So during Gulf War I, Gulf War II, 9/11, they added extra millions of barrels of oil per day so you wouldn't have a spike in oil prices. In turn, they become the de facto leader of oil prices in the world. Well, now when Saudi Arabia takes off those extra oil to keep that capacity there, West Texas fills that void. Saudi Arabia has lost its role in the world of oil prices because of these West Texas drillers. So has Russia, so has Iran, so has Venezuela. These petro-rich companies now can't just rely on their oil because of what's going on in America.
Can you briefly tell us about the Permian Basin? I believe that's in West Texas. Is that some gigantic underground lake of oil?
It is. There's several. There's the Eagle Shale Formation. There's the Permian Basin out there. When I grew up in West Texas in the 80s, it was a very poor place. Cattle prices have gone south. Oil prices have gone south. That oil they thought was depleted. They thought that oil was unrecoverable. They started this horizontal drilling that started around Dallas, Texas, and they moved that to West Texas. That's why you're seeing so much capacity. There's 3.4 million barrels per day being produced right now in that Permian Basin. You have about 3.1 million barrels of pipeline capacity, but you have 3.6 million barrels of pipeline capacity coming online. So that's why when you add 3 million extra barrels by 2023 and then just the next 5 years, that oil is going to be able to get to the markets because of what's going on in West Texas. It's truly the new Saudi Arabia of the world.
Wow, that's quite a statement, John. I'm glad you made it on this program. All right, John, thanks for joining us.
I'm proud it's my boys in West Texas that are doing it. Those are good people out there. I'm very proud of them.
Frack till the cows come home. Love it. Thank you, John. See you again soon. Thanks.